You know, isn't it interesting that sometimes it's not just the destination? The journey to get to that destination can have some beautiful sights as well. Coming up out of Nevada and going through the mountains in Arizona and then the desert plains just on the other side of St. George in Utah surrounded us with nature's beauty and skylines that is just absolutely gorgeous. So our little spur-of-the-moment trip that we organized here brought us up to the small town of Tokerville, which is about 29 miles north of St. George, Utah. Absolutely beautiful little town, little area. We chose this one because we heard that the falls on this trail are breathtaking and worth the stop. So if you're ready to go, now we're just going to find a spot to air down, get the Jeeps ready, and hit the trail. Well, this trail certainly throws some challenges at you that you may not be expecting. But the reward for this trail is the falls themselves. And this area was more than just an oasis in the desert. It was quiet, it was cool, it was beautiful. Check out these falls. The trail to get up to this point really was a lot more aggressive than we had anticipated, but this watering hole, this beautiful oasis that was the reward for our trip, was absolutely worth it. As we hung out, more and more people showed up. The temperature rose to almost 117 degrees, but the water would keep you cool, no doubt. Kids and adults love to jump in and just refresh themselves from the journey that it took to get to this point. If you want to check this place out for yourself and you have a four-wheel drive with some capabilities, I would strongly recommend it. Believe me, you will not be disappointed with this trail. Alright guys, so that was Tokerville Falls. We're up here in Utah. Absolutely gorgeous trail, lots of fun. A couple of water crossings along the way. If you are not prepared for that, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it, but the falls themselves were gorgeous, as you can see. Wonderful watering hole here in the middle of the desert, and an oasis that you should definitely check out. So please join us next time. Not sure where we're going, but it's definitely going to be an adventure. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel. We'll see you next time.